Oh, all right. Okay, sure. Sure. Oh, you want my new phone number? All right. It's 646 555 3048. Okay. Call you later. Bye-bye. Hello, guys. How are you? Oh, by the way, this is my new phone number. It's 646 555 3048 or 3048. Okay. What's your phone number? All right. Come to the next board with me. Okay, guys, let's take a look at these numbers. 1. Repeat, please. 1. 1. O-N-E. 2. 2. T-W-O. 3. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 4. 4. 5. 5. F-I-V-E. 6. 6. S-I-X. 7. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 9. 9. N-I-N-E. 10. 10. T-E-N. All right. Okay. What is this, guys? It's a stadium. Correct. And Jack is in this stadium. This is Jack. And this is a security guard. His name is Tom. So Jack and Tom. Jack, Tom. And this is a conversation between Jack and Tom. Let's take a look at this conversation. Tom, excuse me, are you here for the game? Jack, yes, I am. Tom, what's your name, please? Jack, my name's Jack Smith. What's your ticket number? It's 632201. Okay, have a great time. Perfect. So now, what's your name? What's your name? My name's. What's your ticket number? It's. Let's go to the next board. Let's practice. A, B. A is the answer. A is the question. And B is the answer. Question, answer, question, answer. Okay. B, answer. My last name's Nelson. What is the question? What's your last name? My last name's Nelson. Again, A question. A is the question. B is the answer. The answer is my email address. It's h.amin@yahoo.com. So, what is the question? What's your email address? And the answer is here. The answer here is 646-555-3048. It's probably a phone number. So the question is, what's your phone number? Okay. Here we have what's, my names, and its. What's is a contraction for what is, or a short form, contraction or a short form for what is. My names is a contraction for my name is. And its, again, is a contraction for it is. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. Bye.